point I want to mention before I read the narrations, that look, individual things, someone is not praying, someone is sinning, someone is committing a crime. These are individual things. Everybody is on a different level. Someone can do the hijab in the best way, someone cannot do it in the best way. Someone can pray tahajjud, someone cannot pray tahajjud. These are not the things the Imam is going to come and fix. That's not his main reason. When you say it's about adl, it becomes a communal thing. It becomes a societal thing. It becomes aslan the structure of how society is structured. Adl, it becomes about that. It becomes about something far bigger than you or I on an individual level. So you cannot say Imam will come and bring a new religion, and your salat was, you were praying up here, and Imam will tell you got to pray it this way. So you have a new it's way beyond these little things. These will have to be fixed as well. But when you say Imam will bring adalat, it doesn't mean he's going to fix your hand position from here to here, and you say, yeah, mission accomplished. No, something deeper has to be there. So now look at this narration. Okay, look at this narration. Someone comes to Imam Baqir alayhi salam. He says, I have 500 dirham in zakat, and he wants to give it to the Imam. He says, I want to give the zakat to you, and then you please, Imam, distribute for me, right? And the Imam says, but no, you keep the zakat, and you know what? You distribute it yourself amongst your neighbors and the orphans and the poor people and the brothers or community members that are needy. You do it. Imam, why don't you want to distribute it? He says, I don't want to distribute it because right now our situation is such, we don't have power. And if you give it to us, it's a responsibility. And you know what? With the government that is here and the limitations that we have, we will not be able to do sawiyah to the extent that is required. Because of the limitations we have, this is going to be the job of the Qa'im when he comes. He will distribute with adalat fi khalq ar-Rahman, in the creation of the Rahman, creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, al-bir minhum wal-fajir. He will divide these equally amongst the good and the sinners. The fajir as well. They also have rights at the end of the day. If you're sinning, you're still a human. You have certain rights. Okay, so the Imam will be able to do this in a just way. So look, adalat. So when this happens, people will be shocked. Right now, if we help, let's say a sinner, when I say help, I mean helping within what is their rights. Okay, we do it, people will start talking. Oh, isne uski help kar di. Ye to banda hi kharab tha. But we don't look at it from the perspective of hukuk. Whether he's a sinner or not, does the person have the right for a certain thing or no? Maybe he has a right to it. Okay, he can commit whatever sins he wants in his personal individual life. So the Imam Baqir is saying that no, when Imam Mahdi comes, he will be able to do it bis sawiyah, he will do adalat for the Ahlul Bir and the Fajr as well. They deserve it as well.